Strategy number 4, ask for assistance. If you have a learning disorder, such as dyslexia, or you suffer from ADHD or another health condition, you may qualify for testing accommodations for the NCLEX. Nursing students are covered under the Americans with Disabilities Act and Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973. These laws entitle those with disabilities to receive accommodations for their education programs. On the NCLEX, you may be entitled to extra test-taking time and breaks, use of a private testing room to reduce distractions, or assistance from a reader or recorder in a private room. This is someone who will help you with reading or by indicating your answer selections. Accommodations for learning disabilities are individualized and vary by state or territory. Testing accommodations can be provided only with the authorization of your Board of Nursing regulatory body. Bonus tip: Learning Ally is a national nonprofit dedicated to helping blind, visually impaired, and dyslexic students succeed. The company offers NCLEX study materials in audio format. Another great resource for those with learning disabilities is the book Learning Outside the Lines. 2 Ivy League students with learning disabilities and ADHD give you the tools for academic success and educational revolution by Jonathan Mooney and David Cole. This book is full of great tips for helping information stick.